Welcome to the Mahfuz Shikdar official tutorials YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you how to add is in and is out animation effects in CapCut PC using graphs. This video will be all about keyframe graphs, so make sure to learn them carefully. We have two simple pictures on the timeline and we want to create an animation using this. This layer is simply a transparent image and we have a person behind it. We will select this clip and after moving some frames forward, we'll add a keyframe. This keyframe is for the initial position of the animation, which means that this image will be animated after this point. Now, we'll move some frames forward and add another keyframe or just change the position of the element. Now we have a very simple animation. We will right click on the image and click on the show keyframe animation option, or we can also press the Alt+K shortcut key. Now we can see the graphs option. As our animation involves vertical motion only, we'll make the Y curve keyframe smooth. When we click on the first keyframe, we can see a graph option enabled. These are the graphs which have some built-in animation effects. We have some presets for is in and some for is out. Now, let's try these presets. Notice that when we apply a preset, the shape of the curve changes and our animation has been smoothened a lot. Now, by remaining in the same graph menu, we can add more keyframes. Now, things to remember is that we must add an initial keyframe to indicate the start position. We can see that when we move the element, the keyframe is automatically added. This line is also straight and we have to make it smooth following the same procedure. We will add the edge in curve as we have some curve feature available here. This technique can be used to create animation videos for your YouTube channel or Reels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit this subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video and until then, take care.